Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I will be showing you implementation of Vernam Cipher in Java. I will be explaining what is Vernam Cipher in short. After that I will be explaining step by step program of Vernam Cipher in Java. So watch my video till end guys if you want to understand implementation of Vernam Cipher. Guys, I have already created video on implementation of other cipher technique. If you want to watch, you can just go and watch on my channel. I have given link in description box, or you can click on I button. So guys, let's start with the video. So guys, before starting implementation of Vernam Cipher, we will first understand what is Vernam Cipher. So here guys, I have given a small description of Vernam Cipher. So Vernam Cipher is also known as one-time pad, and it is a symmetric key algorithm. So that means the key which we are going to use for encryption, the same key we will be using for decryption. Hence we have symmetric key encryption algorithm. Okay, so Vernam Cipher uses one of the operation which are known as XOR or exclusive OR operation on your plain text and ciphertext. So these are the key features of Vernam Cipher. You can see guys, here I have shown you the key features of Vernam Cipher. So it is symmetric. Key length, one important feature we have over here is the key length of Vernam Cipher is going to be same as your plain text. Okay, and the key which we will be generating is going to be random and it is used only once. Hence the name is one time pad. The way we have OTP, same way we are going to use the key. Okay, and we will be using XOR operation. So these are the certain steps which we will be following while implementing the Vernam Cipher. So guys, first of all we will be generating key. So here I will be using random function of Java for generating this key, and then guys, next step we have to do encryption. So in encryption I'm going to use XOR operation. So I have to take plain text and I have to XOR that plain text with key. Okay, so it is going to give my ciphertext, and as we know decryption is the reverse of encryption. So here I want plain text, so for decryption I will be taking ciphertext and I will be using XOR operator with key to get this ciphertext. Okay, and here you can see the key which we are using, same whatever key we have used in encryption process. So in encryption and decryption the key is same, hence this is what symmetric key algorithm. So I hope the short description is understood by you. If not guys, you can ask me in comment box or on my IG. I will definitely help you. Okay, so now let's begin with the implementation of this Vernam Cipher. So guys, here I have just started my VS Code and I'm going to quickly create one class here. So I'm giving class name as Vernam Cipher. You can give any suitable class name. So Vernam Cipher.java, this is my class name, and now simply here I'm creating class Vernam Cipher, and guys here I'm going to write public static void main, and then here first of all I'm going to accept input from user. So for that I need scanner class. So here I'm creating object of scanner, and here in bracket system.in, because we are going to accept value from keyboard. Also we have imported java.util.scanner because we want to use this scanner class. So guys, now let's start with the step number 1. So step number 1, we are going to accept plain text from the user. So here I can write s out and I can ask user enter the plain text. Okay, so this is the message which we are going to encrypt. So guys, here this message I'm going to store in a string variable. So here I'm creating one string variable pt, and I'm going to read the value sc dot next line. Okay, so we will store the value in pt variable, and after this guys, now the next step number 2, that is what generation of key. So here I'm going to create a variable string key, and hence so guys, here I'm going to create a variable string key, and here I'm going to call a method generate key. This is not predefined method, this is a user defined method which we are creating for generating key. Okay, so as we know in Vernam Cipher my key length is going to be same as plain text length. So in generate key I'm passing the method. Okay, now here it's showing me error, so I'll just fix this error. So just select it and generate the method. Okay, select that option and delete this comment and throws part. So that's done. Showing error here because I put minus sign, so let me remove that. Okay, so now this generate key method, I will be writing code for generate key method, and after that, after generating the key, what I'm going to do, I'm going to perform step number 3, that is nothing but encryption. Okay, so here I'm creating one more variable, string ct, that is cipher text, is equal to, guys, I will be calling encrypt method. This is again going to be my user defined method, and in this encrypt method I'm going to pass plain text as well as my key. Okay, so this is going to perform encryption of your data, and the result we are storing in ct variable. Okay, and then here I will simply print my this cipher text. So s out in double quotes, I'm just writing cipher text, or you can print encrypted data. So I'm writing cipher text, and my cipher text is stored in ct variable. So this ct variable I'm printing. Here it's showing me error because I have not created this method. So let me quickly fix this method. So let's generate this method, guys. Okay, so here I'll again remove this throws part and comment part. So my encryption process is done. We will be writing body for that. Before that, I'm just completing my main method, and now after that we will be having step number 4. So here we will be doing what? Decryption. So step number 4, decryption part. So I'm going to create one more variable, string. Here I'm just writing decrypted text as my variable name, and then here, guys, I will call decrypt method, and for doing decryption what I need cipher text as well as my key. So I'm passing this to data, and then, guys, simply I'm going to print a message that decrypted text is this. So here I'm going to write decrypted text. Okay, and the text, the variable I'm printing, so decrypt text. Done. And lastly I'm going to close my sc. So sc dot close. Okay, this is done, and here it's showing error. So let me quickly fix this. So we will generate decrypt method also. So fine, guys, so now the main method is done. I have just accepted plain text from user, and I'm trying to call 3 methods. One is generate key, one is encrypt, and one is decrypt. So now let's quickly write body of these 3 methods. So first of all, I will be going to my generate key method, and there I will be writing logic for generating random keys. Okay, so as we know, in Vernam Cipher the text length is same as key length. In Vernam Cipher the key length is same as text length. So here I'm going to create one variable, string builder variable. Okay, so string builder, and this variable name I'm giving as key equal to new string builder. Okay, and then I'm creating object of random because I want to generate random number. So hence I require this class. So random r is equal to new random. Okay, and then after this, guys, you can see the random class has been imported. So this random variable is created. Now here I'm going to run a for loop. So we need to generate whatever length of my plain text. So guys, I'm writing for loop. Why? Because I want to generate key same length as my plain text. So here I'm writing int I is equal to 0 semicolon I less than my plain text dot length. Okay, this method of string I'm using, and here I plus plus. Okay, hope you understood why I'm writing this for loop, because I want to generate the key which is whose length is so guys, I want to generate a key whose length is equal to your plain text. So for that I'm writing this for loop. Now guys, here I'm going to use a method r dot next in, and I need to pass the upper bound. So here I'm passing upper bound as 256 because I want to generate random number from 0 to 255 because of ASCII character range. Okay, so this number I'm converting it into what? Character, because this is going to be a number but I want character. So here I am going to convert it into character, and this value I am going to store in my string builder key variable. So here what I am doing, I am just writing key dot append. Okay, so what it will do, it will append whatever key has been generated to your key variable. Done, guys. So if you want to print what is your key, so you can write s out. In that you can write key is equal to, here you can print your key. So this step is optional if you want to print key, otherwise you can omit this step. And finally guys, I'm going to return, because I have given return type as string. So here return, I'm going to write key dot to string. Fine. So my generate key method is done. Now after that, let's do the encryption part. So as we know, encryption, we have to perform XOR operation. So again, I'm going to use a string builder variable. So here quickly, let me create one string builder variable. So I'm giving this variable name as ciphertext, or you can give CT also. So ciphertext is equal to now new string builder. So again, I need to run for loop, because I'm going to take single character of my plain text, and I'm going to do XOR of that with my key. So here let's write for int I equal to 0, I less than my plain text variable. So pt dot length and I plus plus. Okay, now I will do XOR operation, and after doing XOR operation, whatever is the result, that I'm going to append to my ciphertext variable. So ciphertext, okay, so here I have missed t, so let me add that. So ciphertext variable I'm going to take, and I'm going to append whatever is the result of the XOR operation. So in that I'm taking plain text dot caret I, and since we want to perform XOR in Java, this caret symbol is XOR operation. So plain text I will take, and I will take key dot caret I. This line I have written, so this line will do what? It will take your plain text, and it will take your key, and it will perform XOR operation, and it will give you some result. So this result is going to be a numeric, so I'm going to convert that into a char variable. Okay, done. And finally, now here I'm going to write a line, return ciphertext dot to string. So my encryption is done, guys. Now same way we have to perform decryption. So what I will do for simplicity, I'm going to simply copy this line, and I'm going to paste in decryption, and instead of this ciphertext variable, I'm going to create a variable plain text. Okay, and here instead of pt, I'm going to write ct, and this variable is going to be plain text, because we are converting ciphertext into plain text. So this plain text variable, and now rather than taking plain text, we will be taking ciphertext, and we are going to perform XOR with key, and I'm going to return plain text as my result. Okay, so my code is done, guys. Vernam Cipher code is done. Code is very simple and easy to understand. Just take individual character from plain text, XOR with key. Similarly, individual character from ciphertext, XOR with key for encryption and decryption. Okay, let's Control S or save the program, and let's. Okay guys, so I'm getting error. Let me go to the code and let me see what mistake I have done. So I think here is the mistake. I'm converting only this into what character. So I need to put this in parenthesis. This entire expression I need to convert into character. And same way we have to write over here. So this I will be converting into character. Okay, so that was the problem. So guys, now let's run the program. So here I'll click on this play button, and here I'm going to provide input to this program. So simply I'm just writing CS corner, and here you can see it's printing my key, it's printing my ciphertext, and you can see guys the decrypted text is same as your plain text. So that means encryption process was correct. Okay, so this is what all about Vernam Cipher. If you want, I'll run once again with different input. So here I'm just providing input as Sunita, and now you can provide in capital also, it doesn't matter. So let's provide in caps So here you can see I'm getting my text back. Okay, so that's done, guys. Guys, that's all from my side. I hope you really understood what is Vernam Cipher and how to implement this in Java. So guys, if my video has really helped you, don't forget to hit on like button and share my videos to your friend as much as possible. And if you have any kind of query, you can put in comment box, or you can reach me through my Instagram. Or guys, I have shared my different social media link in description box. You can follow me or join me through that also. And the very important for me is your subscription. If you're new to my channel and if my video has really helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Guys, I'm creating playlist of cryptography algorithm, implementing that in Java as well as in Python. So certainly you can subscribe to my channel if you are really interested in this topic. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning, guys.